I had to show you this. There's a mama bird that's in my yard. She's got a worm in her mouth, as you can see. And she's got 2 little babies in a nest right on my front porch. And she's going to feed them. So I want to see her do this here. Here she is. Do you see her up there? She's feeding her little babies. Oh, they're so cute. Do you see the little babies up there? I see their little faces. Oh, how cute. There they are, they're moving. How cute.
It's me. It's me. I see some little heads sticking out.
I know, aren't they cute?
Yeah, 2 little heads.
Uh-huh. Aww. They're sweet.
Look at their little baby heads.